Hey guys, Cassie Deputy,
Alicia Deputy.
and this is Deputy Tribe. Cassie Deputy with Deputy Tribe. If you're new here, I'm Cassie, and I am a homeschooling mom to 8 kiddos. We talk a lot on this channel about home educating, homesteading, ministry, politics, marriage, all sorts of things, healthy eating, healthy lifestyle, and we do a lot of product reviews. So today, first of all, if you hear noise in the background, it is wheat harvesting season, and we're surrounded by a wheat field neighboring our property. So they've been out there thrashing their wheat for a few days now. So if you hear machinery, that's what you're hearing. But today we're going to review this math curriculum called Math Essentials. Mastering essential math skills. We reviewed the Pre-Algebra concepts by this company here. So this is a really nice, thin math book. How many lessons is it? It's not a lot of lessons. It doesn't really have it broken up into lessons, but you got pretty far into this book. So this is what it looks like. So it's not very long. Most of the back is a glossary and the answers. Did you know the answers were back here?
No.
So the answers are in the back so you can check your work and correct it, which is important. So basically, we are going to kind of run through how this works and what we thought of it. So here is a lesson. Do you want to open up the video lesson? Okay, so we're going to show you this lesson. Lesson 5. So she would pull up the video. This is what it's like.
Hey, welcome back to our next lesson, subtracting integers. And before we get started, and I promise I won't do this throughout the book, but I want to be sure at first that you really get off to a great start during each and every lesson. And make sure you've got those 2 pencils with you, and plus the 2 sheets of paper. And of course, you want to have the Pre-Algebra Concepts book, because a lot of you I know go right from this lesson with me to the book. And as far as the book is concerned now, I think you're beginning to see how it's set up and the importance of each section. Remember that review exercise through those, because you're going to learn how to apply things. Last example, you'll always be fine. Remember, -5 or -5 minus 9 is the same, nothing more than what? -5 plus -9. Now, what's unique about this one is it's 2 negative numbers again, right? So what does that mean?
So basically, she watches the lesson. They're less than 15 minutes apiece. And then she moves to the book. Now in the book, you have a review section each lesson. So the review sections vary from previous things you've learned to like speed, facts, all sorts of different reviews on the top. So you can see throughout here, lots of different reviews. And then the lesson, so we'll look at the lesson that we just showed you the video for. Dividing, subtracting integers. So here you see there's helpful hints that kind of go over the basics from the video. And then you have just a few problems, their answers, and then a snippet on problem solving, like a word problem. So really short, concise. The answers are in the back. There's also a glossary in the back. As you can see, this book's not very thick. So that's basically how it works. It's real simple. It's really clearly laid out. There wasn't a lot of confusion on accessing the videos. There's like a password that you have to type in to view the videos, and that changes every month, I think it was. It changed once on us, didn't it?
No, I don't think it does.
Yeah, it started with the word computer, and then it changed to something else.
No, it's computer still.
But it changed once during our...
It might have, yeah.
Yeah, I think once during our review period. So that's how it works. She just logged in on her own every couple days and watched a video, did a lesson, and that was that. So why don't you talk about what you thought? Because you've reviewed a few math curriculums, probably a couple handfuls. So what did you think about this one compared to other math curriculums? What'd you like? What you didn't like?
I liked it. It was really simple, really easy to access the videos, and
Mosquito.
no,
Sorry. Did you make more coffee? Go.
really easy to access the videos, and I liked how like we focused on one thing at a time instead of like doing addition and subtraction at the same time, whereas we just focused on one thing. Then you did that, and you had multiple problems for that one subject before you moved on to the next one. Because a lot of other math that I did had addition and subtraction together, and then I couldn't really learn it. I really liked the samples, and then I liked the review exercises a lot.
Why?
Because it helps me to refresh everything that I've learned before.
Yeah.
And my favorite was the problem solving.
Oh, on the bottom?
Yeah.
Why?
I would quickly finish up the rest of my math so I can go to the last one, because I really like problem solving.
You like puzzles.
Yes.
So it was like that. Very cool. Yeah, I mean, I would say there's a few things that I really liked about this. The first is the video-based lessons. As a home educating mom of 8 who's homesteading, we own several of our own businesses. I mean, we're very, very, very busy people. We're also very involved in politics, like locally. So I don't have the time to sit and teach each of my kids a math lesson. So something that has video-based lessons is extremely, extremely beneficial for me. And this stuck out from other math curriculums because of how easy and short and concise it is. I mean, just the size of this book really surprised me, because most math books are like massive, right? And you're doing so much busy work that it's like makes math like you don't want to do it, right? And so I appreciated how short and concise this was, because it's like, okay, do you understand the concept? If you do, great, let's move on. And then I agree with her. The review exercises at the beginning of every single chapter also made this curriculum stick out. I don't think we've even run across a math curriculum that did that, besides maybe Matthew C, where the last 3 lessons had review mixed in. But having that review every single time, I agree with you, really establishes what you've learned in the past, but you don't have to keep doing it too much, you know? So I liked this. It says 20 minutes a day, and they're right, 15-20 minutes a day. Yeah, we didn't really run into any problems with it. I love that it's video based, that it's short, that it's easy, but it gets them through what they need to know. Yeah. So check out the links below. We really liked this product. If you want to read more reviews on this book and another book that Math Essentials offers, I'll include a link below where you can read or watch other people's reviews, and you can kind of get an experience on how they use this product in their home, because a bunch of us used it for about 6 weeks and we all wrote reviews on it. So go ahead and check out that link below. You can visit .net, mathessentials.net. I'll include that link below too, guys. So give this video a thumbs up, share it with people you know, subscribe to our channel for more reviews and other fun, hilarious things that we do. And as always, remember,
Jesus is coming.
Jesus is coming. Thanks, guys.